Ara and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, excited ako kasi meron akong mga things na urgent na kailangan ko i-share sa inyo. Also, yung mga wins natin na na-achieve natin dito sa ating YouTube channel na. And so grateful to everyone who's been following, subscribing, and watching our videos. Okay, so but before anything else, again guys, itong setup natin today, baka napapansin nyo, wala tayong paso-pa sa background. Although, nandun yung sofa ko, nakita nyo naman, medyo malayo lang. Tsaka hindi ako nakaupo sa floor kasi I'm just taking a quick 8 to 10 minute break from work just to give you some of the announcement, no? Tsaka yung mga urgent kasi kailangan ko talaga tong mga taong to and yung mga job openings na to sa division ko. So hopefully you guys can help me out. Okay? So, to apologize, last week hindi ako nakapag-upload ng video. I know I promised that I would upload 1, 2 to 3 videos per week. Pero guys, sobrang stressful last week. Actually, starting last week until moving forward. Kasi, ayan, start na kami ng homeschooling ng anak ko. Kata nyo naman, blackboard ko. Sobrang dami namin pinaprepare, of course, you know, daily lesson plans and all. I'm doing all of these things on top of me working. So, alam nyo na. Ayan. Ayun, so, kaya ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-upload. So, pero pambawi naman ako ngayon kasi maganda talaga yung mga announcement natin. Okay? And I do apologize if you hear my husband or my daughter, Arya, screaming or running around in the background. Okay? So, let's start. Number 1, let me just congratulate this person, Giselle. If you're watching this video, congratulations for making it to finally here in Cyberbacker. Si Giselle po, isa siya sa aking YouTube subscriber. So talaga naman naka-follow sa lahat ng videos ko, naka-subscribe, nagko-comment siya sa mga videos ko. Nag-apply siya way back January pa. Nag-fail siya pero she kept on trying. And then, ayun. Itong message na to, last week lang sinad niya sa akin na finally, dito na siya sa Cyberbacker and she's already working with the client. So, congratulations, Giselle. Ayan. So, hindi lang si Giselle, yung mga YouTube subscriber ko na ngayon ay Cyberbacker na. Marami kayo dyan. Hindi lang kayo nagme-message sa akin sa Slack. So, kung gusto niyo ng shoutout, message lang ako sa Slack, guys. Ayan. So, kung marami sa inyo gusto maging kagaya ni Giselle, of course, you want me to refer you here in Cyberbacker, please just scroll down dun sa description box natin. Nandun lahat ng links na kailangan nyo on how to apply, what link to use, step-by-step guide, application guide, nandun na lahat. Okay? So, congratulations again, Giselle, for making it here to Cyberbacker. Again, remember, tibayan ng loob at walang susuko. Ayan. Okay, so another announcement is congratulations guys. Finally, 20,000 na tayo here on my YouTube channel. Congratulations! Sobrang proud ako kasi hindi ko talaga akalain na abot tayo ng 20,000. Sabi ko talaga dati, kahit 1,000 lang masaya na ako, no? Pero, grabe talaga yung support, no? I think marami talagang Filipino na gustong magkaroon ng work from home, permanent, stable, work from home job. So, thank you so much for, you know, trusting me, watching my videos, subscribing, liking, and commenting. And talaga naman pinapanood nyo talaga yung binibinge watch nyo lahat ng YouTube video na meron ako. And I hope na kahit hindi ako nag-upload minsan ng mga content about work or Cyberbacker, hopefully, support nyo pa rin yung mga future videos ko. Alright? Thank you so much. Okay, so again, dito tayo ngayon sa important part. Pero, before pala doon, marami nagtatanong sa inyo, nagpa-follow up na kailan nga ba natin i-announce yung winner ng ating Plexstone gaming earphones, no? Okay, so, yung, remember, itong video na to, yung giveaway natin with the Plexstone gaming earphone, i-announce natin siya dun sa ating 20,000 video celebration. So, remember, nag-promise ako sa inyo dun sa last video ko na kapag na-hit natin yung 20,000 followers, magmumukbang video tayo at saka i-share ko sa inyo yung journey ko from ever since nag-start ako mag-work from home, kahit hindi pa dito sa Cyberbacker, and then hanggang mapunta ako sa Cyberbacker. So, yun yung mga story na gusto nyong marinig from me while doing mukbang. So, ayun, pinaghahandaan ko lang siya, guys. Pero, mangyayari siya within this month. So, please, abang-abang lang. So, remember, pag in-upload ko yung mukbang video, kasama na dun yung announcement natin kung sino yung mananalo ng gaming earphones from Plexstone. Alright? So, yun, abangers lang po tayo. Antay lang ulit tayo ng susunod na sweldo. Okay, bago ako mag-mukbang video para sa inyo. Okay, so, ayun na nga, guys. Kailangan ko ng help from you, from everyone na gusto akong makatrabaho or gusto nyong mag-work sa Cyberbacker, gusto nyong mag-work sa social media marketing division kasi ang dami-dami ko pong hinahanap ngayon. Nagsa-staff up po ako sa division ko kasi sobra talaga po ang dami ng dagsa ng work. And medyo nahirapan na po yung team. Yung team ko sa sobrang daming trabaho. Lalo na po ngayon, magbe-bare months na, magde-December. So alam nyo na, marami po tayong kailangan gawin sa social media. Kaya kailangan ko po ng mga tao nito, okay? So, some of the jobs here na sasabihin ko sa inyo, hindi pa siya na-announce kasi ipopost pa lang siya, let's say, sa aming sa Cyberbacker Facebook page, sa LinkedIn, sa Instagram, sa YouTube this week. Okay? So, remember guys, para makita nyo po yung mga job descriptions nitong mga jobs na sasabihin ko, all you have to do is to go to our website. That's www.cyberbacker.ph, or abangan nyo po siyang i-announce namin sa Facebook page ng Cyberbacker PH. Okay? So, baka lang po nalilito kayo. Nakikita nyo po Cyberbacker PH, tapos meron din pong Cyberbacker Inc. Yung Cyberbacker PH po namin, that is for our applicant facing. And yung Cyberbacker Inc. po namin, para po naman yun sa mga clients, no? So, any countries na hindi po sa Philippines. Okay? Ayan, so guys, ito yung mga kailangan ko, okay? So, number 1, I need 1 social media backer. So, again, social media backer, guys, ilang beses ko na discuss to yung job description. This is someone who manages a social media account. They do community management, they do content planning, posting, responding to comments, messages, ayan. They can also do social media ads, yan, yung mga hinahanap ko. Isang social media backer. Another is a graphic artist. So, alam niyo naman guys, graphic artist, yung mga taga-design ng mga poster namin sa social media, sa website, offline marketing, yun, kailangan ko nun. Another is video editor. So, video editor naman, ito yung mga taga-gawa namin ng mga YouTube videos, commercial, billboard commercial, yun. Okay, so kailangan ko po noon. Another is influencer backer. So, sa influencer backer naman po, from the word itself na influencer, taga-manage po kayo ng influencers ng Cyberbacker. So, again, on my past videos here in Cyberbacker, we have this called CIAP, which is the Cyberbacker Influencer Affiliate Program. So, pero na po kami mga influencer under nung CIAP. And also, we also are looking for other influencers in the Philippines or worldwide to help us grow the company. So, naghahanap kami ng influencer backer or someone who will manage our influencers. So, again, for this job role, hindi pa siya lumalabas sa website. Hindi pa rin siya na-announce sa Facebook. Just wait for it. Okay? Yan. So, sa akin niyo po siya unang narinig. Since ako naman po yung VP ng division, urgently ko po talagang kailangan nito ng influencer backer. I know I have a lot of blogger, influencer friends. So, baka if you're watching this video, you might want to try applying for this job. Okay? Another is Google Ads backer. Google Ads backer, from the word itself din po na Google Ads, we are looking for someone who specializes on Google Ads manager. Okay? So, ito po yung mga tagagawa ng campaign for Google advertisements, keyword bidding. Ayan. Medyo wala po talaga akong alam dito tungkol sa Google Ads backer. Pero, I was the one who made the job description thoroughly. And, makikita nyo po doon na we really need someone who has an extensive experience with the Google Ads backer, no? So, meron tayong social media backer, graphic artist, video backer, influencer backer, at saka Google Ads backer. So, I have 5 job opening, work from home positions in my division. So, kung gusto nyo po ako mga trabaho, please po mag-apply kayo. Okay? So, other information that I can disclose to you, number 1, all of these jobs are work from home or work from anywhere or remote work, kahit saan ka pa, basta may internet ka at meron ka nitong mga sasabihin kong requirements, of course, you can apply. Number 2, full-time. Lahat po ito full-time. I really need someone na talagang dito lang. Sa Cyberbacker lang, ito lang yung tatrabahuhin niya. No? Another is graveyard. So, sa lahat po ng posisyon na nasabi ko kanina, lahat to graveyard shift. And if you're wondering, kailangan ba na experience? So, for these jobs, graphic artist, video editor, of course, we need someone who has experience already. Pero, if you're a fresh grad, of course, you can still apply. Okay? Just make sure na for graphic artist and video editor, you need to provide your portfolio. Okay, and I do suggest if you're applying as a graphic artist and video editor, please do check out all of our social media channels, especially Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube kasi doon nyo po makikita yung klase ng content na ginagawa namin here in Cyberbacker. And probably one of my questions to you if you will be having a final interview with me or with the members of my team is how can you improve our content? Okay? Next one is Google Ads Backer. Of course, Google Ads kasi this is really complicated. So if you're someone who has an experience with doing Google Ads, please make sure that you have a proven extensive experience for this job. And also, hindi naman preferred. Pero if you're someone who has also certification with Google Ads, that's also better. Okay? Pero not required. Hindi naman siya required. Okay, next is, experience is an advantage but not required to apply also is of course the social media backer. Ayan, so here on my team, meron din akong mga social media backer na wala talaga silang experience, no? As in job experience. Pero, dahil nag-enroll sila with, let's say, online training ng social media, pwede na rin yun. No, you can still apply kahit na wala kayong work experience with social media. For me kasi with social media, as long as you're social media savvy and you know the basics, let's say posting, scheduling, responding to comments, messages on the Facebook page, then you are still qualified. Okay? Ayan, so ano pa ang pwede kong ma-share sa inyo? Company standard requirements. Okay, kung company standard requirements guys, paulit-ulit ako dito. Kahit po non-voice, yung mga jobs na sinabi ko kanina, maliban dun sa influencer backer natin. Si influencer backer natin is a mix of voice and non-voice job, no? Kasi syempre makikipag-usap po kayo sa mga influencer, tawag-tawag, ganyan. Pero minimal lang naman. It's still a mix of voice and non-voice tasks. Okay, but the rest, of course, it's non-voice. So again, company standard requirements when you're applying here in Cyberbacker, dapat po meron kayong noise cancelling headset like this one. So I use Logitech. Ayan. So, ito yung noise cancelling niya. It's not like 100% noise cancelling. It has very minimal lang kasi hindi naman to talagang high-end. Okay, but it works kasi hindi naman ako nagko-calls. Okay? So, let's say, what if wala kayong ganito pero gusto niyo nang magpa-interview? You can use a regular earphones like this one. So, this is just an old iPhone earphone with mic. Ayan, meron lang siyang mic na ganyan. And then, you can use that during your initial interview. But then, guys, syempre, kapag po na-invite kayo for final interview, I would suggest na you invest on a noise-cancelling headset. Regardless kung dito kayo sa Cyberbacker mag-a-apply or hindi, any other jobs, it's still good to invest on a good, noise-cancelling headset. Kung kinoconsider nyo talagang mag-work from home. Okay? Another is yung web camera nyo. So, web camera nyo, if you're using a laptop, you can use the internal web camera on your computer. That's fine. As long as it's not blurry or as in kita kayo, yung mga magaganda niyong mukha, pakita nyo. Pero kung hindi naman, of course, you can still buy an external web camera. You can just check Lazada or Shopee kung may makita kayo dun. Okay? And then, internet naman is 5 Mbps and above yung required internet speed here. So, let's say, what if meron lang kayong 3 Mbps below? So, pwede ba kayo mag-apply? Of course, the answer is yes. Pero if you get, a job offer here in Cyberbacker, of course, kailangan yung i-upgrade yung internet connection nyo. Okay? So, actually, yun lang naman yung mga requirements na hinahanap ko. Pero, like for me, personally, since ako po yung magiging boss nyo, kung sakasakali, ano ba yung hinahanap ko sa isang person? Okay, so meron itong nilistang 5. Number 1, dapat matibay ka. Matibay ka, meaning, hindi ka nagkakasakit, hindi ka mabilis ma-stress, you know how to manage your time, you know how to handle difficult situations, hindi ka sensitive na, alam mo na, kapag nasita yung work mo, ganyan, instead of being negative, you should always be positive and, work your way around and help yourself to be better. Yon. So, number 1, dapat matibay. Number 2, dapat masipag. Bawal po dito yung tamad. Sorry. Dito sa Cyberbacker, of course, in our division, sobrang busy namin na sana hindi enough yung 8 hours every day. I'm just really being honest, Hindi enough yung 8 hours every day just to do your usual work and routine, especially on our creative side of the team, no, marami talagang workload, lalo na sa mga graphic artists and video artists namin, no. So, sipag. Yun talaga, sipag. Dapat masipag. Number 3, dapat matyaga ka. Yun din. So, kung walang tyaga, syempre walang nilaga. Ayan. So, lahat ng hard work dito sa Cyberbacker, sobrang paid off. Right now, I'm so happy with the leaders on my team because some of them are being reviewed for promotions. Some of them are being rewarded as the best worker on the team, and they get like rewards like gaming chair, monitor, yan ganon, mga work tool. Marami kaming ganyang pakulo dito sa Cyberbacker. So, yung mga masisipag talaga naman ako. They get rewards, okay? Ayun, so dapat talaga matyaga. Next, number 4, open-minded. Okay, so hindi naman din na networking style, pero here in my division, I appreciate people who are really open-minded in terms of they're not scared of changes that's going to happen within the division, within their task, their workload, ganyan. Kasi most of the time here, of course, you have your job descriptions, right? We have our JDs. So, with your JD, there are times that you have to work outside your JD. You know, let's say you have to help another person on the team, or you have to work with someone on the team or outside of the division because there is going to be a certain campaign or project that needs to get done, ganyan. So, may mga crossovers, overlaps ng task, ayun. So, dapat hindi ka stick to whatever it is that you're given to. Dapat pwede ka rin, you know, maki-work sa iba't ibang tao, sa iba't ibang team, sa iba't ibang division, ganyan. Kasi, yun yung madalas sa amin. Okay? And then, number 5, ito talaga yung pinaka-important for me. Ba't ba hindi ko ito nilagay sa number 1? Okay, so number 5, dapat may initiative. Okay, so dito sa akin, lalo na pag bago ka, okay lang sa akin yung medyo mahihain, ganyan, sa umpisa. Pero dapat after a few weeks, a few months, on your first 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, I would expect you to be someone na nag-i-initiate ng campaigns, ng projects, ng ideas, ng strategies. Gusto ko yung mga ganong person na, ay, Miss Ara, let's do something like this. Do we wanna try doing something like this on socials? Ganyan. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun, and sobrang in awe ako sa mga ganong tao, especially kung they did not really come from the background ng digital marketing or advertising, and zero experience talaga sila, but they give you suggestions ng ideas nila, what they want to implement, how they wanna do it, how they wanna execute it, ganon. So, mga ganon level hinahanap ko. So, again, let's recap. Matibay, masipag, matyaga, open-minded, tsaka may initiative. Yun yung top 5 really for me. Regardless of nakagraduate ka ba, may background ka ba sa ganito, ganyan, doesn't really matter. For me, yung top 5 na sinabi ko sa inyo, that will work for me. Okay? Ayun lang, guys. Thank you so much. Ayun, lumagpasa tayo dun sa sinabi ko kanina na 8 minutes lang. Okay. So, thank you guys so much. Wala na ako masyadong kwento sa inyo. Sana lang, you know, stay with me here on my YouTube channel. I will try my best to make time to upload regularly, at least once or twice a week talaga, no? And, thank you sa lahat ng subscribers ko, sa viewers ko. Again, hindi ko in-expect na abot tayo ng 20,000 subscribers. And yung dream ko talaga here on YouTube is to get to 100,000. Feeling ko kaya natin yung guys. Kaya natin makuha yung YouTube silver play button. Yan talaga gusto ko. Okay, so ayun lang guys. And, yes, I will be uploading other contents. Nabasa ko yung mga comments nyo on my other video about your content suggestions. I'm really grateful to all of the suggestions. Sobrang natouch ako kasi akala ko gusto nyo lang makita or mapanood ako doing, you know, my work stuff, ganyan. Pero ang dami palang gusto nyong gawin ko na video. So, there, thank you so much. And I hope sana yung mga ma-hire ko sa division ko will be coming also from my YouTube subscribers. Okay? So again, thank you so much guys, and I will go back to work. My break is over. Alright, thank you guys, and see you guys on my next video. Bye!